Introducing OneVerity Drone, the desktop companion to OneVerity.ai. Download it to your computer and verify anything, anytime, right inside your workflow. More accurate, more reliable, always within reach. To get started, visit OneVerity.ai and click the Try OneVerity Drone button. Once installed, launch the app, and you're all set to start verifying.
Let's walk through the interface. At the top, you'll find 3 ways to verify content. Capture screen to analyze anything on your display in real time. Select File to upload a document or image. And Direct Input to paste text or a URL manually. Just below the verification buttons lies OneVerity Discover, bringing today's trending topics to the surface, ready for you to verify. OneVerity supports multiple languages. We currently offer English and Korean, with more languages on the way. Simply tap the language selector to switch to your preferred language. The Avatar section personalizes your experience across 4 areas. Discover, your curated verification feed, also accessible here. History, a full log of every item you've verified. Favorites, content you've saved for quick reference. Settings, customize notifications, display, and account preferences. That's OneVerity Drone. Fast, intuitive, and built for trust. And if you haven't already, we recommend signing up. Logged-in users unlock exclusive benefits and a fully personalized experience. Start verifying today. Started with direct input first. Type in any claim or paste a URL that you'd like to verify. Once submitted, you'll see the verification in progress, tracking the current state and the sources being analyzed in real time. The result begins with the Verity score, a patent-pending truth score calculated from source credibility, recency, semantic relevance, and more. If you like a result, simply click the Favorite icon to save the claim and find it later in the Favorites section under your avatar. Next, a clear verdict, true or false. If additional sources or proof are needed, the score may be adjusted, and you'll see exactly why. Below that, you'll find a full analysis, a concise summary of the findings, followed by key points drawn directly from the sources. Any limitations or caveats are transparently listed, along with a complete source list so you can trace every finding. OneVerity also surfaces verified restatements, alternative, fact-checked statements you can use to replace a false or misleading claim. You can also paste a URL directly. OneVerity will fetch the content, display it at the top on smaller screens or in the left panel on wider ones, and highlight every verifiable claim within it. The overall score and content analysis will be displayed, and you can check individual claims as needed. If a claim comes back false, OneVerity provides the verified fact you need, ready to replace it. Once you've completed all verifications, export the full report to PDF, a clean, shareable record of every result. You can also upload your file directly and verify its contents, all within the same interface. Click the Select File button, or simply drag and drop your file into the upload area. OneVerity currently supports images, PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint files, so you can verify across a wide range of document types. Once your file is uploaded, OneVerity automatically analyzes the document. The contents are displayed at the top of the screen in a narrow browser, or in the left side pane in a wide browser. And every verifiable claim is extracted and listed below, similar to how URL verification works. From here, you're in control. Select the specific claims you want to check. Then choose to verify, skip, or stop at any point as you work through the document, one claim at a time. As each result comes in, simply move on to the next item. You can continue at your own pace, verifying as many or as few claims as you need. If a claim turns out to be false, OneVerity doesn't just flag it. It provides the verified fact you need and updates your file with the correction so it's ready to use. To verify any other claim, you can use the direct input field as well. Once you've completed all verifications, export the full report to PDF, a clean, shareable record of every claim checked, every result, and every correction made. If file upload isn't the right fit, screenshot verification has you covered. Let's walk through how to verify content directly from your screen. Click the Capture Screen button to get started. You can choose to capture a specific browser tab, an open window, or your entire screen, giving you full flexibility over what gets analyzed. Once captured, OneVerity drone automatically extracts every verifiable claim from the screenshot. No manual copying needed. From here, you can verify claims one by one at your own pace, or select all and verify them together in one go, just like URL or file upload verification. You can also copy the extracted text for use elsewhere, or scan a new screenshot whenever you're ready to verify fresh content. Fact Check Reimagined, OneVerity.